In November 2018, a faulty electric transmission line ignited the campfire in Northern California, leading to 85 deaths, the burning of 153,000 acres, and $400 billion lost. Every year, between $400 and $800 billion are lost due to wildfires, but we can do a lot to improve our current situation. And it all starts with reducing the risk of wildfires ignited by electric transmission lines. Every year, 21,000 miles of line are in need of inspection. That's nearly the circumference of the Earth. Inspecting these lines today requires checking the surrounding area for potentially hazardous foliage or tree roots. To inspect just 70 miles of line, it takes a human 8 hours and over $2,500 for the company they work for. Drone inspections are highly limited by the drone's battery life. So here's the idea. What if we could significantly improve the inspection drone's capability? What if we could allow the drone to charge off the very line that it's inspecting? Hovering next to the line, the drone could charge using inductive wireless technology. Continuous charging systems would enable the utility companies to inspect hundreds of miles of line from mountaintops to the depths of forests, all from the comfort of a chair. So please join us in this innovative and powerful solution that literally keeps the power bar full. Thank you.